Hi, Chris here from MoneyCoach, and today we're going to learn how you can handle refunds, repayments, cashbacks, etc. in MoneyCoach. So let's say that our friend John asked us to pay for 50 euros for drinks. So we add the transaction in MoneyCoach. Now we can check it out on the Transactions tab, and we can also take a look at the Payees report, where we can see John owes us 50 euros. Now, John pays us 25 of those 50 euros. So, how do we handle it in MoneyCoach? Well, we can just add an income of 25 euros, select a category, let's say general, select John as the payee, and write a description, repayment. And that kind of works, but it's long. And the problem with it is that it creates a fake income entry that messes up our reports. But there's a better way to handle this, and I'm gonna show you in just a moment. But before we do that, let's open the settings, tap on General, and switch the keyboard type to Calculator. Now we can go to the Transactions tab, delete the income entry, tap the plus button so we can add a new negative expense transaction by tapping the minus button and entering an amount, let's say 25. Tap Next, we select John as a payee and we save the transaction. Since we added this transaction in the same category using the same payee, it balances itself out. And you can use the same principle for handling other refunds, repayments, cashbacks, etc. Just add a minus before an expense and the app will consider it as a refund. So, thanks for joining us in this short tutorial. Leave your comments down below and subscribe for more.